Are you guys excited for 120 Faber-Castell colored pencils? This is Jenny from Jenny's Crayon Collection. I hope you guys find the coolest art supplies, both old and new, for whatever project you're doing. I bought the Faber-Castell ones. They're expensive. This was $170. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna unbox this, and then another day we'll do all the swatches. And then I'm gonna compare Crayola, Prismacolor, and Faber-Castell, see which one is the best. I also picked up the watercolor pencils. The 120 that was like in this container was out of stock. So we got the 60s. We can try those. My husband's going to art school. He needed them for art school. I was like, oh, that's perfect. I can do a video too. We are going to go into this. I will have a link below that you guys can sign up for, and you can get the hex chart for this. And then when I do watch video, you might get those and other goodies. You can just sign up below. Let's get this started. Let's open this box. All right, so this comes in a tin. There's also a wooden box, but that was like $300, and I really didn't have the funds for that. Let's open this up. Oh, beautiful. So here's the top. It has a little bit about Faber-Castell. They've been around since 1761, and it has it in German. There's a castle. Now I need to go to Germany. Oh, how cute. So in this little part right here, gives this little book with more history. Oh, in lots of different languages. And then they tell us how to use the pencil. All right, so this is about polychromos right here. It's more than 100 years. Is that crazy? High quality materials. And I can really smell the wood right now just opening it up. And apply pressure during drawing with the pencil in an upright position to create areas covered completely. Hold the pencil flat and light pressure to create an even area of color. But then the structure of paper can be seen. Hatching uses parallel lines to create a visual color. The spacing and line thickness determine the color intensity. And cross hatching, I love cross hatching. Hatching is layered at different angles. Multiple colors can be used to create interesting color mixes. Light colors are transparent, with dark colors are opaque. Laying down layers of color on top of one another from light to dark increases brilliance and vibrancy. So light to dark. Different colors can be created depending on the order in which the colors are layered. So yeah, we should do a blending thing like we did for Prismacolor. That was so fun. Color gradients can be created by increasing the pressure during drawing or covering a color with a white or light color pencil, or by lightening areas with an eraser pencil. And an eraser can remove color from the pages once applied and create intentional white spaces. Dissolved with baby oil and used for painting. Okay, it sounds like we have to try that one. And then, well, other media such as watercolor pencils, which we're going to get, and pastels. This enables you to create very special pieces of work art. And then they have all their stuff. And then this is super nice. They have a color chart right in the box. We are going to make one, but this is really cool. And it says which box they come in. And then this. Oh, this is just talking about their watercolor, the ones that we're going to get. All right, this is super nice. So to lift it up, to get to the ones below, just do that. And there's 3 sets that we're going to go through today. Oh, this is super nice. And then let's look at the pencils themselves. So we're just going to pull out a random pencil. And on the pencil, we have Rotweilet Hell, light red violet. So we have it in German first, it looks like. And then we have the number, which is 135. And wow, I didn't know this, but there are different number of stars after the color name. Then we have made in Germany, polychromos, and then Faber-Castell. And this is like gold letter. And then we have like, this is an individual code. So if one of your pencils you want to just get one pencil because you've used it all, you can buy just one pencil. So today we're only going over the colors. If there's something I talked about from this little booklet here that you want to see, let me know. But today we're just going to go through these colors. I'm going to turn it like this. We're going to actually start at the bottom because that's kind of where their colors start. And I'll point to them as I say them. White, ivory, cream, light yellow glaze, cadmium yellow lemon, light cadmium yellow, light chrome yellow, cadmium yellow, dark cadmium yellow, dark chrome yellow, cadmium orange, orange glaze, dark cadmium orange, light cadmium red, red, scarlet red, pale geranium lake, deep scarlet red, permanent carmine, deep red, middle carmine red, dark red, madder, alizarin crimson, pink carmine, rose carmine, light purple pink, fuchsia, magenta, light magenta, pink madder lake, middle purple pink, red violet, crimson, manganese violet, violet, purple violet, blue violet, mauve, Delft blue, and dark indigo. A couple things. It says the German name first, but I'm going to say the English name because I don't want to try to say the German one and say it wrong. And also, there are stars next to all of these. And the last thing that I was going to say, a lot of these are like the common way of naming colors. So you say where the color came from. I do see a couple that have like capital letters. Have like Prussian blue, that's probably from Prussia, and Hooker's green is probably the name of a person. Okay. Indanthrene blue, cobalt blue greenish, helio blue reddish, interesting, cobalt blue, ultramarine, light ultramarine, sky blue, phthalo blue, middle phthalo blue, light phthalo blue, I'm probably saying that wrong, bluish turquoise, Prussian blue, helio turquoise. It looked like hello turquoise. I'm like, oh, hello. Cobalt turquoise, cobalt green, deep cobalt green, Hooker's green, dark phthalo green, chrome oxide green, fiery, phthalo green, I don't know how to say it, emerald green, light phthalo green, light green, grass green, leaf green, permanent green olive, pine green, chrome oxide green, juniper green, olive green, yellowish, green gold, May green, really? May green, yeah. Earth green, yellowish, chrome green, opaque, earth green, caput mortum, violet, and burnt carmine. These are so nice. I love these trays. We have red, violet, salmon, coral, beige red, cinnamon, Pompeian red, India red, Venetian red, sanguine, burnt ochre, terracotta, light yellow ochre, Naples yellow, dark Naples ochre, brown ochre, raw umber. What is that? Bistre? I don't know. Van Dyke brown, nougat, burnt umber, burnt sienna, walnut brown, dark sepia, warm gray 6, warm gray 4, 5, warm gray 4, warm gray 3, warm gray 2, warm gray 1, color gray 2, color gray 1, color gray 2, color gray 3, color gray 4, color gray 5, color gray 6, Payne's gray, black, silver, gold, and copper. Those are all of these. I wanted to talk about the back. Here is the back, and this is really neat. It kind of gives you the gradient that it has going on when you use the colored pencil. High quality acid-free pigments. They're supposed to be color fast. It means it doesn't fade. A soft, vibrant color laydown, water resistant and smudge proof, thick 3.8 millimeter lead, high break resistance due to Sequel. I don't know what that is. Bonding process. Reasonable, this is what those stars mean. Reasonable light fastness, high light fastness, and maximum light fastness. Ones with 1 star, they don't stay around as long, like they'll fade with sunlight, but the ones with 3 won't fade as much. Gives you an example of the pencil. What do you guys think? Which one is your favorite color? If I had to pick one color, I think I'm gonna pick Madder because it's just so different. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure that you guys hit that like if you like this video. Make sure that you subscribe because I help you guys find the coolest art supplies. And today we found Faber-Castell. I will go more into detail with these. I'll give a swatch chart. We'll do some comparing with the other ones. We'll try some of the techniques, the hatching, and all that. That will be coming up. So I hope you guys have a great day.